name's Lucas. Welcome to my Playroom.
Let's see what we got today.
Let's eat the gato today. And one more. We have 21 more. And then we got the snow plow. I got the truck. And got the motorcycle.
Let's see then.
Let's see from. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Which one's your favorite?
Riding lawnmower in the favorite.
Riding lawnmower is your favorite?
There's a riding lawnmower. And the lawnmower only cut in the grass.
What does a snowplow do?
And the pushing on snow. Got the riding lawnmower, a motorcycle, a truck, and the snowplow. These cars are the big stuff. Let
Let's see it. Oh, cool.
Ooh,
What color is it?
black.
It's black. What color are the wheels?
Orange.
They're orange.
Open the snowplow.
Let me see it. Oh, cool. What color is that one?
Oh, he's cool.
What color is it?
Green.
What color are those wheels?
White.
Yeah, you don't have any white wheels. It's pretty cool.
Yeah. The open motorcycle. Oh, he's cool. Sounds like an egg almost.
What color is that motorcycle?
Blue.
Think that motorcycle goes fast or slow?
Faster. Open riding lawnmower.
Let me see it.
Oh, he's cool.
Can you tell me about that riding lawnmower? What color is it?
Look.
Alright then.
Got 1, 2, 3, and 4. See you next time. Come back to see more videos.